FICCI FLO, the power to empower. In the second wave of COVID-19 in India, we had three main shortages: vaccine, oxygen, and hospitals. To address this, FICCI FLO had a drive for 75 days, representing the 75 years of Indian independence. The National Task Force, spearheaded by Ujjwala, FICCI FLO National President, Namita Gautam, past President FICCI FLO, Lalita Nijhawan, Governing Body Member, FICCI FLO. 7 lakhs outreach to villages, 60,600 masks, 48,850 food packets, 31,110 vaccines, and 18 million paracetamol tablets. FLO chapter chairpersons. Why FLO chapter chairpersons? FLO New Delhi. The Delhi chapter COVID task force. Delhi provided 100 medical kits, fed 2,000 families, provided 500 food packets, 1,000 masks, 500 sanitizers, 50 oxygen cylinders provided to hospital almost every day. We provided medical gear to frontline workers, 600 beds during hospital shortage, and police gear to Delhi NCR police force. FLO Ahmedabad, food drive, mask drive, FLO Amritsar. Over 20,000 masks provided in Mask Up Punjab drive. Over 1,000 free meals. FLO Bangalore. Bangalore collected 3.2 lakhs N95 masks to the police force, donated unused medicines, oxygen cylinders, oximeters, and had a vaccine drive in 9 hospitals. FLO Bhubaneswar. This chapter distributed 1,800 happiness kits for COVID testing, over 850 meals to patients and their attendees, a mass drive, plasma donation camps. FLO Chennai donated over 100 oximeters, held 3 vaccination drives. 2,500 families were given ration for 2 weeks, 3,000 biscuit packets, 300 kilograms of sugar, 100 kilograms of arhar dal, 600 kilograms of suji, and 661 pieces of soap were donated. FLO Coimbatore, the first drive through vaccination center in FLO. 600 bed sheets and 400 pillow covers sponsored to COVID care center. FLO Hyderabad, distribution of food kit to single mothers and orphans. 30 cartons of biscuits, 14 cartons medical supply with 5,000 PPE suits and 2,000 N95 masks, 18 million paracetamol tablets. FLO Indore conducted a vaccination drive, held a mass online pranayam session, and distributed 300 food packets and masks daily to migrants. FLO Jaipur, ration kit distribution, cooking oil, ghee, sanitizer tank, disposables, oximeters, flour, arhar dal. They also conducted a vaccination drive. FLO Jammu and Kashmir donated 7 crates fruit syrup, 100 mattresses, 170 water crates, oxygen concentrator bank. FLO Kanpur, 14,000 meals of happiness, outreach to 7 lakhs villagers, distributed 500 N95 masks and 2,100 meals to nurses. FLO Lucknow, over 55 oxygen concentrators were donated, a food drive, a webinar. FLO Ludhiana, COVID wait facility for pregnant women and vaccination camps in 3 major city hospitals. Home quarantine, guardian, menstrual hygiene, oxygen concentrators on rent, pet foster home, women's special ward. FLO Mumbai, over 45 people successfully vaccinated. FLO Northeast, more than 315 beneficiaries vaccinated. FLO Pune, distributed ration kits in 4 drives. FLO Uttarakhand, 100-bedded COVID care centers, 30,000 Covishield doses, and 6 urban test centers. Plasma drive and food ration drive. Oxygen plant donations and the adoption of 100 COVID orphan children. Young Flow, Y Flow Delhi, converted the Scholar School into a 50-bed field hospital. Y Flow Ahmedabad, distributed rupees 500 to all stalls, thelas and laris, COVID medicine collection drive and a virtual charity auction. Y Flow Hyderabad, holistic health group for meditation, awareness event with leading doctors, donated 3,000 masks for kids, masks and PPE kits to nurses and frontline workers. Y Flow Kolkata, distributed food to 12,000 people, donated oxygen concentrators, distributed 25,000 N95 masks. Thank you.